Welcome to FarmForce, where horsepower meets harvest. In 2025, machines powered by agriculture technology grab veggies faster than your morning coffee kicks in. Love epic farming? Hit like, subscribe, and join the ride. In Michigan, 200 horsepower shakers grip cherry trees, dropping 50 pounds in just 7 seconds. Crews clear 600 trees a day, turning weeks of labor into days. Proof that horsepower saves backs while keeping every cherry sweet and safe. But harvest is only half the story. In Italy's processing plants, stainless conveyors carry cherries through water baths. Optical sorters scan 25 fruits per second. Bruised ones exit. Perfect ones roll forward, packed into cartons of 5 kilos each. In a single shift, lines handle 30 tons, keeping every cherry pristine. Switching crops, Germany's apple orchards trust the Lipko HSA 30. Mounted on 90 HP tractors, its hydraulic arms hug trunks and gently shake. Within 10 seconds, over 150 apples tumble onto fabric catchers. No bruises, no waste. Farmers smile. It saves our backs and doubles our harvest speed. From hand to horsepower, Valencia groves echo with machines that shake 10,000 trees in record time. Each trunk is gripped, and in just 18 seconds, branches rain fruit onto giant canvas arms. With 120 horsepower engines running steady, one team clears dozens of acres daily. Next stop, the factory. Here, Fruxaresca lines grade 20 tons of oranges per shift. If this hooked you till now, don't stop, subscribe, and join the ride where machines and farming dreams collide. Optical scanners sort by size and color at 25 fruits per second, while packers place them into 15-kilo cartons. From orchard to supermarket shelf, every orange is measured, weighed, and sealed with precision. But machines lend a hand. The EcoAg Harvester's 150 horsepower engine powers conveyors that lift and trim celery in continuous rows. Covering up to 8 acres a day, it reduces strain on workers while keeping stalks fresh and uniform. This is LaferPack Cosmic, a fully automated horizontal flow pack line for celery. The machine processes up to 60 packages per minute, from washing, cutting, to packaging in just one line. This capacity allows the factory to complete more than 30,000 packages per 8-hour shift, keeping the celery fresh, clean, and uniform before it goes to market. Back to vegetables, 6 Tumoba and Jamafa harvesters crawl Dutch fields like green giants. Each 200 horsepower machine cuts, strips, and loads 30,000 sprouts per hour. Farmers walk alongside on moving belts, grading sprouts by hand, while the machines never pause. In Zeewold, sprouts take a different ride, conveyor rollers tumbling them like marbles through washing, trimming, and polishing lines. Kids call it the sprout roller coaster. But to farmers, it's serious work. 12 tons cleaned and boxed every shift. Next, the automated ag watermelon harvester shows off muscle. With a 200 horsepower engine and a belt-driven bandit elevator, it lifts 40-pound melons one after another. Moving 1,500 fruits per hour, each load is graded on the spot before heading to cooling trucks. Finally, in giant sheds, teams line conveyors where melons roll toward cardboard bins. Workers check size and shape, packing 60 per pallet, bound for supermarkets nationwide. It's the last step in a chain where horsepower, teamwork, and timing bring sweetness to the world. Down in Louisiana, the John Deere CH960 roars across cane fields with a 425 horsepower engine. 2 massive rows fall at once, chopped and loaded into wagons at nearly 100 tons per hour. Each stalk, 12 feet tall, is sliced clean, sugar fuel for both factory and family. In Bryansk, Russia, the ASA Lift T300DF digs deep with its 200 HP drive. Each row of carrots is pulled, shaken free of soil, and stacked onto trailers. At full pace, it harvests 40 tons per day, bright orange rivers flowing out of the ground. Natural Delight's orchards show the scale. Hydraulic lifts hoist pickers who trim, bag, and lower dates in controlled steps. One team can clear 100 palms a day, ensuring the fruit ripens evenly and stays pristine. Finally, in modern plants, AI scanners inspect 20 dates per second, rejecting any with blemishes. Sorting, washing, and packing lines handle 10 tons per shift, boxing them for markets worldwide. From desert palms to dinner plates, dates prove farming is both ancient and futuristic. That's the beauty of farming, where tradition meets agriculture technology. Hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next harvest.